Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So in today's video, we're actually going to be checking out the Google Pixel Stand, and this is the second generation. So this has been newly released by Google, and this is going to be one of the fastest ways you can actually wirelessly charge your Pixel 6 or your 6 Pro. So with this device right here, you're going to be getting 23 watts of fast wireless charging on a Pixel 6 or 6 Pro, and with any other device you're gonna be getting a max charging output of 15 watts. So it's still pretty good. However, the price on this is a little on the higher side. This is $80 USD, and personally I wouldn't really pay that much for a wireless charger. I do generally use my wireless chargers overnight because during the day they don't really help out a lot. With my Pixel 6 Pro, on a wireless charger, it takes a little while to charge up, so I generally just plug it into the cable and it charges a little faster when I need some extra juice if I'm going somewhere. So personally, I wouldn't really buy this, but I did just to check it out in this video and show you guys how it actually works. So let's go ahead and unbox this up. Here we have a nice little image of what it looks like. We do get one color, it is this white color, and then we also get an image on the side which shows off your Pixel 6 on top of the wireless charger, and then we also have some Galaxy Buds A right there. We have some more specs right here. So quickly charge compatible Pixel phone, Pixel Buds, and Qi certified devices wirelessly. That's pretty nice. Use Google Photos, Google Meet, and Google Assistant while your phone charges. So it does have some cool features when you're charging with the Pixel Stand, and it just says Google right here on this side. So let's go ahead and open this up. Let me get my handy dandy pocket knife. Just cut this open. If I can manage to cut it open, so let me go ahead. Okay, and just pull away from this tab right here. Boom. And boom. Come on. Okay, so we can go ahead and toss this to the side. Some extra trash, and here we have our box. So to open it up, we're actually going to be pulling from right here, I believe, or it goes the other way around. Yep, we're going to be pulling from this tab, if I can manage to. Pull it up, and here we have our Pixel Stand right here. So this looks really nice. It does feel really heavy in the hand. We have this nice greenish color on the bottom portion, and then we also have the white color on the top portion. So plop that to the side. Let's see what else we get. We should get a charging brick and a charging cable, if I can get this out. Well, it's not trying to come out, I guess. Come on, and here we have this out. It was a little hard to take that out for some reason. And we have some manuals right here. Nobody needs to read that. And we finally can reach our charging brick and our charging cable right here. So let's go ahead and plop this box to the side. And here we have a 30-watt charging brick right here. Has a nice black accent on this portion right here, and it says 30 watts. If you can see that. Right there, it says 30 watts. Then we get a nice long cable. I believe this is like 6 feet or something. So that's gonna be handy. And here is our stand. So let's just go ahead and peel the sticker off, and boom. So it has a nice matte touch to it. It's this weird touch. It's actually like, feels like a lot more soft plastic. And the bottom is the same as well. It is getting dusty a lot. Go ahead and just wipe this off, and then we have this nice curved edge on the portion where you actually put your phone down. We also have this nice little area right here. So overall looks pretty nice and feels really nice in the hand as well. So let's go ahead and actually plug this in. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. I don't really know how to, but bear with me. Boom. And then right here, the same process. Pull this out if I can manage to, and boom. So here is our cable and our charging brick. So let me go ahead and plug this in real quick. So USB-C to USB-C, which is nice. It's always handy to have USB-C on your devices. Boom, that's plugged in. And here we have a USB-C port on the back, plug that in, and boom. So no lights or anything, just a plain old wireless charger. And let's go ahead and plop our phone on here. So I'm gonna go ahead and plop this on. And we get this nice LED indicator when you actually put it on there. We go ahead and take it off, put it back on. As you can see, we have a nice little LED indicator. It says do more while charging. So with the Pixel Stand, you have some things with your Google Assistant. I will set this up later, but as you can see, it is charging right now. So no thanks for now. Charging wirelessly, full in 58 minutes. So that is a pretty long time actually. So I'm gonna go and plop that down. And it's just a basic old wireless charger, but it does fast charger than other wireless chargers for your Pixel device. So let me go ahead and actually take this off and put on a pretty thick case. I actually have the Speaking Tough Armor right here. So let's go ahead and plop this on. Boom, and plop this on. And as you can see, it is charging as well. So it started charging right there. Let's go ahead and take this off now and also try out a different device. So here I have my Galaxy S21 Sports Qi wireless charging. I'm gonna go ahead and plop it on there and boom. So as you can see, let's go ahead and wait. It says fast wireless charging and that's pretty nice. So 15 watts fast wireless charging is pretty good for this device right here. However, I really wanna know the capabilities on the Pixel 6 Pro. So I wanna see how fast it actually charges it. It does give you an estimated time, but that did feel a little ridiculous. 58 minutes for only like 30% of charge. So I guess you do have to set up the Pixel Stand and whatnot. So that is it for now. So it says charging wirelessly, full in 15 minutes. So yeah, that is obviously ridiculous, but we'll have to wait and see. So that's basically about it for this wireless charger. There isn't really much to cover about it. It is a wireless charger and it is just one from Google. It is overpriced, personally, in my opinion. $80 for a wireless charger is a little too much. I guess you do get the Pixel Stand capabilities and features with your phone, but I really don't want to bother with those. It's just a gimmick, I guess. I'd rather get another wireless charger for a lot cheaper. It does the job, especially for me, since I do charge overnight. I don't usually use it during the day, as I said in the beginning, but for anybody that's wondering, you can go ahead and pick this up on the Google Store. I will be putting a link down below to check it out for the people that really want to get this. And that is about it. So my thoughts on this, it's a plain old wireless charger. You do get some extra quirks and features with the software, but other than that, nothing much more. Just a little faster, 23 watts with your Pixel device, but I'm totally fine with not having 23 watts. 15 watts was pretty good, especially since I do charge overnight. So that will be basically wrapping it up for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe as it helps support the channel a lot, and see you in the next one.